Hi, gang. Carl White here, and I'm here for your quick hits. All right. So what I'm known for in the industry is helping loan officers increase their loan volume while decreasing their let's call it the sweat factor, right? How do you increase your business without working real hard? How do you write even more loans without working even more hours? So like right now, marketing to your database is a very important thing, particularly when we're in a season of dropping rates, which frankly we've been in for the last couple of years. I mean, I get it. We've had a couple ups and downs, but marketing your database at times like what we're in right now is just the biggest no-brainer ever. It's like free money. One of the early ways, very simple ways I did that is is by sending out these stupid little refrigerator magnets, right? Just a little refrigerator magnet. See if I put it here against my shirt so you have a little background here um, with the name of your company or your name would be my preference actually, with perhaps a unique phone number, right? This could be like a Google Voice number, some way where you can track how many calls come in from it. But on these little refrigerator magnets, what we did is we made them glow in the dark. We made them glow in the dark. I think it cost me like an extra 10 cents each to do this, like nothing. And the idea behind that is when somebody goes to the refrigerator, late at night to go grab a glass of water or something like that, your little glow in the dark refrigerator magnet is like a lighthouse beacon, reminding them who you are and what you do. And the more you remind them of who you are and what you do, the more referrals they'll send to you. So this is just the simplest idea ever. You can just Google refrigerator house shaped glow in the dark magnets, and that's what I did, and that's where we got these. And again, you want to use a unique phone number so that you can track how many loans you're getting from it. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's going to be way more than what you think. But here's the thing: on marketing to your database, on your past database, here's what you should be getting. Just real quick, we should be getting for every 300 people in your past database. And by the way, when I say past database, if you're just getting started, that would include friends and family and coworkers and people down at the soccer field, right? It doesn't have to be closed loans. It's just like people that know you, right? And put them into your database. For every 300 people in your database, you should be closing 3 loans a month. In other words, for every 100, we should be closing 1 loan a month. If you have 500, be 5 loans a month. Now, let's just say you're making an average of $2,000 per loan, per closing, right? And that's some more, some less. But let's just say by not marketing to your database, you're not closing this extra 3 loans or 5 loans or 10 loans. In this case, for that 3 loans, it's costing you $6,000 not to do this per month. It's costing you $72,000 a year to not do this. And we're talking about something that costs like a quarter, like nothing. But it's all by using this trifecta here. And again, text costs like nothing. Email, nothing. Call, nothing. Facebook ads to 300 people, maybe $10 a week, right? Like nothing. Snail mail, about $31 each. So less than $500. We put $500 in a machine, $6,000 pops out. Biggest no-brainer ever. So I put together a marketing to your past database system that shows you exactly how to do all these. What snail mails we send out, what texts we send out, what emails we send out, what's the script of the calls, how often do you call, what time of day do you call, and exactly step by step on how to do the Facebook ads. And I'm going to give it to you for free. So there's a link somewhere here on this page, and click that link and get started with this, and stop spending $6,000 not to do it. This is how you ramp up your business. And the refis, whether rates are going up or down, you should be refining all the time, right? Because people don't just refi because rates are down; they refi because of life experiences all the time. Like it's an all the time thing. So, all right, I don't want this to be too long. Refrigerator magnets, love it. Glow in the dark, love it. Unique phone number so you can track it. Combined with all these, that's a home run for you. So my name's Carl White. Click on the link, and I'll see you inside the training on the inside. Put this in action, guys. This works. I'll see you inside.